In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a Trello board private. If you're looking to keep your projects away from prying eyes, whether they're personal or professional, switching your Trello board setting to private is a wise choice. Let's take you through this process step by step. First, head over to Trello's website by typing in trello.com into your browser's address bar. If you're not yet logged in, look for the login button, which you'll find at the top right corner of the screen. Simply click on that. Now, when it comes to logging in, Trello offers the convenience of using several platforms. Whether you prefer Google, Microsoft, Apple, or even Slack, you can use any of these credentials. Alternatively, you can stick with your email address if that's your preference. Now that you're logged in and on your Trello homepage, navigate to the board you wish to make private. You'll see all your boards sorted neatly, just click on the one you're planning to modify. Once there, direct your attention to the top of the screen where your board's name is displayed. Clicking on the board's name will bring up various options. One of these options will be change visibility. This is the crucial feature we're looking for, so go ahead and select it. You'll see a few visibility settings pop up. What you want to do next is choose the private option. Setting your board to private ensures that only members of that board can view its contents, thus securing its privacy. For those creating a new board, you have the opportunity to set its initial visibility. While you're filling in the board's name and details, keep an eye out for the visibility section. You can set it to private right from the get-go, thus eliminating the need for this adjustment down the line. Changing a Trello board's visibility is as simple as that. Whether you're making an existing board private for the first time or setting up a new board with the right permissions, these steps keep your work protected and confidential. Remember, it's crucial to regularly review your board settings to ensure they align with your privacy preferences, especially in collaborative environments where information might need to be shared selectively. And there you have it, a quick and easy guide to protecting your Trello boards. Thank you for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more tips to optimize your digital workspace.